oh yeah, the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life, oh yeah, the rhythm of my life.
Woo! Man, I love that song! Hey everybody, I'm going to clear the air, get the truth out there on a question that I get asked so many times. When is the best time to do cardio? Now, listen up. There are 2 times to do cardio, okay, that optimize your fat burning capabilities, okay? First one, as soon as you wake up in the morning, roll out of bed, get your running shoes on, go for a jog, do a walk, 10, 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half hour. That is great. Now, the reason for that is when you're sleeping at night, just say you get about 8 hours of sleep per night, okay? Your body is in a fasted state during that time. When you wake up, you have nothing in your system. Okay, so to supply that energy for that run, your body is going to be looking for an energy source. Where is it going to go? It's going to attack your fat. Okay, that's going to supply the energy for your run. You will burn fat that way. It's perfect. Okay, get home, get your water, get your protein shake, your breakfast, your shower, your day is set. Okay, the rest of the day is easy. Now, the second best time to do your cardio is at night. Okay, say you eat dinner around 7 o'clock or something, okay? Takes about, just say 2 hours to digest. Go for a run. I usually go for a run on the beach. I like going for a run on the beach at night. It's very nice. Get my iPod in, hit the beach. Okay. Now, when you get back, take a blazing hot shower. Blazing. The reason for this, the hot shower actually makes your body produce more growth hormone. Growth hormone is the king of burning fat and building more muscle. Now, when you're about ready for bed, I guarantee you will sleep so much better at night because of the growth hormone, okay? You won't be waking up 10 times in the middle of the night for this and that. You will have a deeper, better sleep, and you will wake up feeling much more rested than usual. But don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Do it, okay? I've been doing it for a long time, and I love it. All right? If you got any questions, anything you want to ask me or anything, leave them in the comments below. Message me. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe. Check out my other videos, all right? See you.